Misfits unboxing. So out the gate, a lot of my stuff is not looking like it's in the best of shape this time around, but I got some bread because I've never got bread from the Misfits box, and I was wondering how well it would fare. It's squished, like not super bad. I guess it's still gonna be edible, but like, yeah, that's sad. And I've got some crackers. We have some of the Patagonia Provision Sourdough Sea Salt Organic Crackers. I've had these before and they're super good. The box is open, but the bag is not. But honestly, like how bad everything was packaged, it's not surprising. We got some Nuff's Crispy Crackers, Everything Bagel. I've never tried these, but they sound good. I got some Heyday Lentil Stew, and it is smashed. Look at that. That's so sad. Smashed. I got some Heyday Fire Roasted Sweet Potato Chili to try because I like their beans, so I thought I'd try some of their soup. Not all of their soup is vegan, though. I got some organic evaporated coconut milk, unsweetened. I got the organic sweetened condensed coconut milk. I got 2 jars of Yo Mama's pasta sauce. This is the basil, tomato basil. And then I got the roasted garlic. I got these because they look good. They look like those cinnamon twists from Taco Bell. They are upcycled heirloom corn flour, cinnamon sugar twists from Pipcorn, certified vegan. I got some of the organic sweetened or unsweetened shredded coconut as well. And then the last pantry ingredient, I got some of the unbleached bread flour from King Arthur because I was out. So for the produce I got a lot of fun things. I got the random rainbow carrot assortment. Still orange carrots, but you know, I will use them. I got a green cabbage. We'll see if this one is infested like my last one. I got the cutest red cabbage in the world. It's so tiny and adorable. I got 2 of these mushroom mixes. It just may contain shiitake, oyster, maitake, lion's mane, king oyster, or cremini. So I can already see, like, this one has something cool underneath there. And then this one, so cool. I can't wait to try these. And then I got some random mystery assortment of onions, basically. However you say that word with the A. I can never say it right. Allium. So I got these 2 bunches of spring onions that are massive. Look at these things. I can't wait to use these. Then something I've never tried before. Watermelon radishes, which they're going to be very pretty when I cut into them. But basically, I'm making ramen bowls this week for meals, so I got all these veggies for that. And then I saw these on there. I just had to get them and try them. They're called pixie tangerines, and they're so tiny. Look how small these are. So, yeah, I had to give those a go. Now for the fun cold stuff. I got some fun cold stuff this time around. This was a big Misfits box for me. So there's this brand called Little Sesame that does hummus. So I got 3 of their hummuses to try. I've got this one, which is a caramelized onion. This one, which is a herby jalapeno. And this one, which is a preserved lemon. So I thought those would be really fun on wraps or something. And then I've got from Unlimate. I've never tried this brand before, but I got a couple other things. I got 2 of these shredded, like pulled pork situations. I got 2 of these Korean barbecue situations and a tuna kimbap, which I'm not sure if I'm going to like that one, but we'll see. So I'm in my computer room now. I'm going to read off the final tally of all of the things I got. So each pasta sauce was $5.99. The flour was $6.09. The cinnamon twists were $4.24. All of the hummuses were $3.49 each. The sourdough crackers were $6.49. The everything bagel crackers were $5.99. The bread was $4.49. The shredded coconut was $2.99. The condensed sweetened coconut was $3.99. The evaporated coconut milk was $2.49. The lentil stew was $4.99. The sweet potato chili was $4.99. The kimbap was $4.99. The unlimited Korean barbecue was $13.98 for both of them together. The unlimited pulled pork was also $13.98 for both of them together. The organic green cabbage was $4.49. The organic red cabbage was $3.99. The organic watermelon radishes were $4.99. The pixie tangerines were $4.49. The organic mystery bunched carrots were $6.98 together for both bundles. The organic mystery mushrooms were $13.98 together for both bundles. And the mystery spring alliums were $9.98 for both bundles. So that brings it to $151.05 with free shipping because I got enough for free shipping. The operations fee was $1.99. The cold pack fee was waived because I got enough cold that it didn't matter. And that brought the grand total of this delivery to $153.04. Now, sorry, it's really awkward for me holding my phone like this right now, but that's a really good deal for everything I got. Like, groceries are quite expensive right now. I got a very good variety of like pantry staples. Like, I'm planning on using everything I got. Like, it's not just random bits and bobs. Like, obviously, these were like yummy. Like, I wanted those to try, and the whole family agrees that they're delicious, by the way. But like, I needed flour. I need bread flour for baking my sourdough. The pasta sauce is a great pantry staple to have when you just need a quick dinner. You just boil some noodles, throw sauce on it, you're good to go. The shredded coconut, I'm actually going to try to make into coconut milk. I plan on baking with the other coconut things I got. The soup is great to have in a pinch when you need a meal and you don't have time to cook or you don't have anything prepped, because sometimes that happens to me. I wanted to try the bread, see how it goes, so it was a little iffy. It got a little smushed in process, but you know, that's something that I wanted to try, so I'm glad I tried it. At least I know now. Probably not buy bread from Misfits Box, at least if you're not going to have anything else heavy in the box. I love the sourdough crackers. They are on the pricey side, but they're totally worth it in my opinion, because they are my favorite crackers that I've ever had, and I've tried a lot of different crackers. I can't wait to see if those everything bagel crackers are everything, you know what I mean? But the kimbap and the other things were a fun treat. I've never seen them, so I wanted to give them a try. And then all the other produce is for my meals for the coming week. I'm going to be shredding most of it. I'm going to be slicing the watermelon radish very finely, but then everything else is getting shredded. The mushrooms and the spring onions are getting cooked together for it as well. So yeah, I think it was worth it. I'm curious to try those pixie tangerines too, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!